Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, hauls, fashion, a little bit of everything, lifestyle kind of channel. If this is the video you'd like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay, join the family, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. Alexa, thank you so much for my return supporter. Thank you, I love you guys, appreciate you guys a bunch. So today's video, like you guys can see here, we're going to be unboxing, try on some of December Boxycharm Luxe, and this box is amazing and full of good, amazing products. If you don't know what Boxycharm is monthly beauty box subscription, and they have Luxe actually is a quarter box. Every quarter of the year they have the Luxe box and the box, and they have the base box for $27 and you get a full box with 5 full-size amazing products from amazing brand. And then they have the premium box for $37. You get 6 size products from amazing brand, from skincare, hair, makeup, and other tools. Sometimes I will going to have the link on the description of this video for Boxycharm. If you don't know what they are, you can check them out. You will gonna love them because they're amazing. Winter Luxe is the theme of the month. This is the card that comes with all the goodies that actually come in the box. When I first saw the lineup for Boxyluxe, I was super excited, and one thing that I was wishing I would get it, and I got it, I'm super happy about it, was this Ultra Cosmetic palette. But it's super beautiful, the Pro palette, and they have so many amazing beautiful shades. Let me open up so I can show you guys. This is what the palette look like. So you have some bronzer, highlighters, and some blush, bronzer, and contour powder here, some different highlighters, some different powders here, and this palette is stunning. Going to be trying today, I'm using the blush here, and I'm using the bronzer here too, and I'm using some of the highlights here, and they are beautiful, they perform stunning. But the palette is stunning. The ultimate tool for creating a bronze glow. This stunning palette is suitable for all skin tones, and whatever are your makeup artist on the go or a beauty enthusiastic who loves variety, this palette is all you need for a radiant glam look. I approve the message. This beauty here, it's stunning, and this palette is retails for, I'm gonna tell you guys in 1 second. This beauty here retails for whooped up $149, but you see it's a huge palette, and you get here a lot of different products. So if you would purchase each one of the product that comes in the palette individual, you probably would scratch your pocket a little deeper and around that price, or maybe a little bit more. So it's definitely worth it. The next thing here is going to be Kitsch. I don't know if that is the name. Kittish Beauty. This is a beauty little set, and this set is the Satin Sleeping Set, and here you get a soft scrunchie, an eye mask, and a pillowcase. You guys know it's great to sleep on satin or silk pillowcase. It's good for your skin, it's good for your hair, plus it's super soft, super luxurious. The Kittish Sleep Set is your newest nighttime necessity. It's satin construction, won't clump or agitate your stance while you sleep, allowing you to wake up frizz-free, ready to take on the day. Vanish breakout. Each package includes 1 standard size satin pillowcase, 1 eye mask, and 1 satin sleep scrunchie. And this beautiful set here retails for $36, and I'm super excited to use it. So we're not gonna try now on camera, but I'm going to be putting this to good use. And the next thing here is the Acuology Detoxifying Treatment Mask. Oh, I love this, and it feels so good in the skin. It smells really good. My skin felt very fresh and clean after I removed the mask. The Acuology Detoxifying Treatment Mask is a supercharged health retreat for congested skin, working to draw out blackhead and impurity and clean clogged pores. With skin loving charcoal, the charcoal's antibacterial and purificant power rivaled with any other detoxifying ingredient when it comes to extracting sebum and dirt and the antioxidants laden botanicals balance and protect the skin for the poreless and flower-like texture. And this beauty here retails for a whoop of $69. Amazing. I love the mask, it works amazing, so I'm a big fan. Very, very, very nice. And the next thing here is going to be La Ruse, I think that's how to say, I'm not sure. La Ruse Beauty Satin Set. We have the set here. The Satin Set includes a dual fiber cheek brush, a small angled cheek brush, a small concealer brush, a small flat shade brush, a medium domed blending brush, and a graphite petite runny cup. So we did try the brush for this look today, so they are dirty, sorry about that, but here's the brush they're talking about. They are super soft, very pretty, very different. I like the texture on the brush, and come with a little stand cup if you want to just display your brush, or if you want to put away. It's definitely a nice little brush set. And this beauty here retails for a whoop of $50. Yes, girl. Luxe December, not playing. Amazing product. So the next one here, oh my god, this product, unfortunately today we're not going to be trying on camera, but I did use this last night and I was so dumb not to have the time to film, but I did use these. Okay, so I have a lot of makeup remover balm, I have some like liquid. This was amazing, this amazing, great idea. You spray on it on your face and you just wipe away the makeup, all come out so fast, with so gentle on the skin. I was amazing. So how I did is I just spray on my whole face, and I got my little microfiber soft cloth wet with warm water, and I just wipe away, and all the makeup came out in like a 1 or 2 wipe, and I was amazed. It was one of my favorite products in this box too, was this. And knowing myself, like if I really love a product, I definitely go and buy another one. So I definitely gonna be repurchase this one. Yes, I definitely going to. One Size by Patrick Starr. I love Patrick Starr, he's amazing. Go Off Makeup Dissolving Mist. Go off in an epic way with this no dripping, super sleek, continuous mist that dissolves makeup on the contact without leaving the skin tight or dry. Formulate to full remove makeup and refresh the skin with a good for you ingredient. This Go Off Makeup Dissolving Mist is a game changer, definitely for those heavy makeup days. And this beauty here retails for $24, and I'm telling you, it's worth it every penny. If you never tried this and you wear makeup like every day, try this and tell me later in the comments. It's going to be your favorite product for removing makeup ever. It's amazing, I have to tell you that. So, and this was product number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Product number 6. So we have 2 more products here to go. So the next product here is going to be Per Fully Charged Mascara powered by magnetic technology. I'm using the mascara today and it's very good. Actually, I'm a fan of Per cosmetic product, and this mascara definitely was amazing. Here's the mascara. So opposites attract with this age-defying vegan fully charged mascara powered by a revolutionary magnetic polymer matrix that wraps the positively charged elastic veil around each lashes and instantaneously lift and separate and defined for unparalleled performance, fortified with a specialized blend of ingredients such as nourished vitamin D. This mascara helps condition and strengthen the eyelashes to help prevent premature lash loss. And this beauty here retails for $22. I love the mascara. And last but not least, here is Persona Cosmetic 24 hours waterproof eyeliner. Here I have the eyeliner here, and we use today. The eyeliner is very beautiful. It's so creamy, glides on your lashes, on your eyelids, so easy and stay in place, so beautiful. I love the texture of this pencil. Intensify your eyes with this creamy 24 hours waterproof eyeliner that glides on smooth for all day to all night wear. Feature a smooth blend formula. This 24 hours waterproof eyeliner is ideal for both the lash line and the waterline, and this retails for $14. Amazing. I loved it, and I'm using today. I don't have any liquid line, I just have this on, and works fabulous. This was our last product for this December Boxycharm Luxe Box, the Winter Luxe, and the box was amazing. I love all the product coming in. There was no one that I say, oh, I didn't like or nothing. All of them works amazing. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you guys next year for January Boxycharm. So I see you guys soon. Thank you for watching.